Hey, what's up, guys? I got another unboxing video for you guys. Today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Watch Active. This is the pink or rose gold model. As you can see, this is the non-LTE version. So this one has Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth connectivity. You can see on the side, lightweight smartwatch, advanced auto fitness tracking with heart rate and GPS. And then it is water resistant up to 50 meters. Backside. Pop this sucker open. Oh man, that looks really nice. I believe this is the extra band. Comes with two sizes, so you can get a longer or shorter band depending on the size of your wrist. And then the watch. Oh, that's a neat design. It's actually packaging for the cables. Wow, this charger is really small. So I have the Galaxy S3, the Frontier, and the charger is almost 4 times the size. So this is nice. However, one thing I can already tell, which is going to be a problem, is there's nothing really holding it in place. Like, it's going to move around. So I'm hoping that this watch, check this out. This is awesome. But I'm hoping that it's magnetic so it doesn't move around. Yep, it is. Okay, that should help it from falling off the charger. But as you can tell, 2 buttons on the side. They don't have the bezel that turns, kind of like the Gear S3 or the Classic. Power this on. As you can tell, they did increase the number of sensors, so they have 4 sensors on the back for measuring heart rate now. Before, I think on the Gear S3 they had like 1 or 2. On the Active 2, the newer version of this, they have 8. So if you're looking at more accurate heart rate, I would recommend going with the Active 2. I picked this up during Black Friday from Samsung, so I think they had $50 off on this, so I couldn't justify it paying another 100 and something for an extra sensor. There are a couple other improvements on the 2. Let me just show you guys what's on the back here. So on the back of the band, it tells you what size it is, and then I don't know what this is. Probably the code for the band here. There's a I or a G, G2, G3. I don't know. But there is a little button here that you'll see. You can actually move this down. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. It's a spring-loaded mechanism. Oh, you kind of saw it there, right? So you just pull this down and you'll see the rod move down, and that just allows you to pull the wristband out. So if I wanted to get a longer wristband, whoops, I took the wrong side off. So you'll want to do that if you're getting a different color band or different style. Put that back on. Very easy. As you can see, I just did that in like, literally took it off and put it back on in 10 seconds. So if I wanted the longer band, I believe this said the 20 millimeter, or the small, sorry, the 20 millimeter is the size here. You can see that's a small. If I wanted the larger size, comes nicely wrapped in this nylon cloth, and this one is the large. They do sell mediums. It does not come in the box. They assume that you're either going to have a small enough wrist where you'll need this, or you're going to have a humongous wrist and you're going to need this. Most people will fall in between these. So, I mean, you can see there's an overlap here. So you're either gonna need, you know, these here, or if your wrists are really large, you're gonna need these. If you're somewhere in the middle, both of these might work, because you can see there's a huge overlap there of about 4 or 5 holes. But if for some reason you want the holes, like, I don't know, if you're like right there and this doesn't work because for whatever reason the band isn't long enough to wrap around the other side, I don't know, whatever use case you might have, they do sell mediums. Here's the, before I close out the video, here's the charger, if my camera will focus here. There we go. 5-volt input at 1 amp, and I don't know what it outputs at. I believe it's 5 watts. I might be wrong. I just realized there's a button back here, and I don't know what this is for. I'll have to read the instruction manual, which is in here. But I want to see if, and I haven't seen this before, so bear with me here. I don't know what it says down here. Looks like the serial number. Made in Vietnam. Yeah, it doesn't say. But anyways, that's some info I could probably put in the description. I can look it up quick. But I want to see if it tells me what the button in the back does. If you guys know, put that in the comments below. I don't know what that button's for. I've never seen it before. I have the Frontier, so I don't know if they added a new feature or what's going on there. Nice fold out color manual here. It tells you to download the app on your phone, charge your watch, visit the Galaxy store to download the app. Just said that. Navigation. You swipe the screen to view notifications. Gives you a little bit overview of all the apps. There's a ton of videos on like how to use the actual watch, so I'm not going to do that. This was just meant to be a quick unboxing. Just went through this quick, and then you have the health and terms and conditions, health and safety information, because, you know, legal. If you guys like this video, please like the video, comment, and subscribe. I only post once in a while, so if you guys subscribe, that will let you know when I'm uploading new videos. If you hit the little bell icon, you will get a notification in your email that I've uploaded a video, so you guys can come check it out. I try to keep these short and simple. If you guys comment and like and subscribe, if you guys want to see a specific product, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Thanks guys, have a good day.